will be a slow day daw.
Look at the gray boy.
And behold, there was a man named Zacchaeus. To start your own cafe. Are you sad, Achi?
Welcome back to our channel. Good morning. I'm here to fetch your pail of water. Just fill down and walk over, and you came tumbling off the shaka, sherry, 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 water, sherry, carry, walk up.
Are you also singing Jack and Jill?
Like me.
Yeah, but I cannot understand it. For
That is the fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and woke up, and you came tumbling after.
Good morning! And welcome to the vlog. Kasi kanina pa kami gising. Magising na ang lahat because our daddy called. Nasa, ilang days na si daddy sa Japan. So already, day 3 na ata si daddy. And yun nga, he is calling us every night pag mag-rest na sila, and every morning before sila aalis. Yun. Yesterday, I think they went to Universal, so pagod na pagod sila. And today ata sabi nila go sila sa Nara, yung sa mga deer, and they will be going to a castle.
What castle?
It's Osaka
At
Castle.
Disneyland.
Disney Castle. And for us while here, it's October 2031, so it's holiday. Done na yung mga exam ng mga kids. And si Mommy walang work because of course it's a holiday.
And some of my classmates are celebrate Halloween, but not always because it might be bad.
Yeah, and we are not, our family is not celebrating Halloween.
Exactly.
Yes. We will be preparing na lang for Christmas because that's Ellie's favorite time of the year.
Yeah.
Yeah, and they're really looking forward for that. Yes.
I want to go more forward and Thanksgiving Day.
The Thanksgiving. Sabi ni Daddy, it will be a slow day daw. So that we can rest.
What do you mean a slow day?
Not so many errands to do. Just, just rest and be at home.
And go to a big house.
Go to the big house. But let's see. Kasi mag-open pa rin kami ng shop. Kasi babawi kami. We closed for 1 week last week. You ask properly, Mommy. Mommy, open please.
Okay.
Say open. Please.
Okay.
But you should say it. You follow Mommy. Open.
Oh.
Very good.
Excuse me, Mommy.
Yes lang ga.
Hello?
Why ba? Why do you want to play with this? This is not a toy. Gray boy! Yes.
It's a great baby.
No. One lang. One for you, one for Kai.
Look at the gray boy.
You have another one now, your bunny. Okay, no more na. Please, we cannot play with this. You will have no more na if you have really
But I just have one.
It's okay, one that and one this. Just live it, let's pray first.
Stop scaring me.
Bible lang lang.
I don't know which my
The picture Bible. And behold, there was a man named Zacchaeus. He was a chief tax collector and he was rich. And he was seeking to see who Jesus was. But on account of the crowd, he could not because he was in a small stature. It means he is short.
show.
It's not tall enough, so he cannot see in the crowd. So he ran on ahead and climbed up into a sycamore tree to see Jesus, for he was about to pass that way. And when Jesus came to the place, he looked up and said to him, Zacchaeus, hurry and come down. Usual, ang natira sa table, si Feifei.
Hi.
How long will you finish your food? What is that? 10 minutes.
It doesn't take a long time.
What is it? Yeah, very, very long time. You eat for a very, very long time.
Happy birthday! Are you gonna walk
Yes.
I hope that will be white. I'm trying to feed the fish, but I'm gonna drop it.
So you get it. What do you want? What?
Okay,
No, you cannot touch it.
that's why. He thought that's a machine for
Okay,
audio.
let me see your room. Stay in your room, okay? Hello! Wait lang. Kahit pa ng throat ko. What am I doing? Ito yung ano namin, grinder namin na sobrang hindi pa kasi kami talaga nag-i-invest sa grinder. Close pa yung shop, pero gagawa lang sana ako ng coffee for myself. Pero yun nga, napansin ko na yung labas nung beans sa ano na siya, kalat na siya. So, 'di ba nasira yung yung coffee machine namin last time, yung espresso machine. Talagang super wala. Anzi, hindi naman kami na-stop sa shop kasi meron kaming spare na coffee machine, na espresso machine na hindi ko pa na-sell. So, honestly, number one yan siguro, yun yung sinabi sa akin nung pinafixan ko ng machine na if you have daw a shop talaga, dapat may spare ka because you will really need that. So, kung gusto nyo talagang pasukin and really be, taking note sa mga, especially kapag magka-cafe business kayo, yun. And number one, isa to na-learn ko na you really need to invest sa magandang espresso machine. Yung first namin espresso machine is, ang first namin na espresso machine, mura lang talaga siya, as in, talagang kasi practice pa lang naman, di pa ako sigurado, kami lang try lang sa bahay. Nag-try ako sa Shopee, naganap, tapos yun nga, nakakaya niya naman, pero syempre, nung nag-barista training na ako, makikita mo talaga yung difference ng ginagawa mong shot based sa espresso machine mo. Pero, not necessarily na, hindi naman yun na kapag pinakamahal na espresso machine yung meron ka, mas masarap. Hindi naman sa ganun. So, you really need to know lang. Siyempre, kapag nagsa-start ka pa lang, minsan, mas dependent ka talaga kapag automatic or manual siya. Yes,
When you do these things?
I'm cleaning pa these parts. Yan. This one pa. So, nag-invest kami, pagka next, nag-invest na kami sa Gemini. Gemini yung first namin kasi yun yung available din dito na makakita talaga namin. Siyempre, meron ding iba, you need to buy it outside or sa ibang shop, tapos pricey din talaga siya. So, within our budget.
yung nabili namin first na Gemini na espresso machine, leveled up na siya sa cups of coffee na kaya niya for a day. Pero, yun yung sabi, pang office lang daw yun. Parang, yun lang yung capacity niya. So, talagang super na overused siya kasi we did not expect, praise God, lumaki, maganda yung gana ng business namin last time. So, because of that, nag-invest kami ulit sa another na espresso machine, still with Gemini, pero ito ngayon, commercial na siya. With the warranty, kapag mga home use lang siya, nag-1 year sila warranty, pero kapag commercial use, 6 months lang siya, kasi syempre iba yung gamit nun. So yung amin, 8 months pa lang, yung nasira sa kanya, honestly, hindi yung espresso machine. Yung tawag nito, yung frother na side. So hindi siya maganda. Tapos, kapag nag-ground na yung machine. So, alam talaga namin na may problem na talaga. Pero we try to delay it kasi yun nga, dahil nag-transfer, there's so many things that happen. Hindi kami nakapag-focus with the business. Pero, yun, nung pinafix siya namin, number 1 talaga, yung naging problem is really yung pag-descale daw namin, hindi tamang maintenance, lahat ng yun. So, siguro it's a learning experience if you really want to go sa ganitong kind of business, you will really invest, totoo yan, with a good espresso machine and dapat marunong kang mag-maintain. And see, that's the problem. May sinabi sa akin yung namin na yung descaling daw na material na ginagamit ko. Daw, parang it's not daw fit for parang home na pag-descale, yung kami lang. Parang may mga ganun siyang sinabi. So honestly, part siya talaga nung business mo. Yung maintenance, talagang kailangan mong alagaan yung machine mo kasi kung hindi, gagastos ka. Yung binili namin na espresso machine, syempre nag-invest ka na doon, tapos 8 months pa lang siya, nasira siya because of bad maintenance namin. Kasalanan din namin, syempre gastos kami ulit. Nagastos ko doon 3,000 something. Kasabayan talaga sila noon, yung espresso machine saka grinder. So kung hindi rin pangit din yung grinder mo, mafe-feel mo talaga siya, grind size mo, apektado talaga paggawa mo ng shot, lahat ng yun. If you really want to focus, they are factors, parang ganun. So ngayon, ang ginagawa ko, kakalimutan ko talaga, namimiss ko sa kasi syempre, hindi naman ako focus with our business. Pero, yun, I try to make a parang checklist na of really maintaining, even sa grinder namin. Kikita mo, kung kailan lang siya na parang nagka-problem na dun ko lang siya, nilinis again. Kasi you really need to, kasi nagka-clog siya, ang dami, sobrang dami na naman. Nahiya ko ipakita sa inyo. Kita nyo naman na ganito. Hindi ko na i-zoom. I tried to learn all of this. Tapos tuturuan ko si Daddy, pero kami-kami lang talaga. Tapos nakakaya pa naman siya for now. Pero siguro yun ang sabi namin ni Daddy. Kapag talaga papasukin namin ito, yung cafe business na to, at sa ngayon dito lang sa bahay, pero talagang nafe-feel na namin na kailangan talaga namin. Kailangan naming mag-invest ng tama, maintenance, tamang mga tao, lahat ng yun. So yun siguro, tips. Cafe, if you want to start your own cafe.
I'm gonna rest. I may never eat again because I just eat again. Is it I may eat? Fifi. Violet.
Are you sad, Achi?
Shabby, shabby.
What happened, Achi?
And we're in the car kasi nakaplan sila ngayon pumunta sa cousins nila. So, dadalhin ko sila sa big house. Ito lang, super itchy ng nose ko. And we're gonna spend some time there. Siguro, tingnan natin kung gaano katagal. But Mommy's gonna drive. And Kaika's going with us. Yes? Okay, Manang Romelin will also go with us, okay? Now let's go. What? Because we need help in taking care of Kaikai, okay?
Let me message. Excuse me, I'll tell you. If you want it, if the blue lights are trying to if they're saying, hey, can you go in the playground? Maybe they are gonna trick you. So make sure that you I think now we have to make sure. My TV. Still 8 months. What about the outro?
We are already in our room kasi matutulog na kami. For the rest of the night, sinundo ko yung 2 kids, yun nga, from their cousin's house. Tapos, yun na, pagkadating dito sa bahay, talagang nagkumain na lang kami, then freshen up, and nag-movie time kami. Kasi request talaga nila kasi wala naman silang class. Honestly, for the 2 of them, na-start na ng sem break nila, kaya they can rest na. And syempre naman kami ni daddy nila na they can watch na TV, and also they can play Switch tomorrow. Excited yun si Ellie tomorrow. And ano pa ba? Sa akin naman, honestly, nag-call lang kami ni daddy. Then, magsisleep na rin. Yung batang to, she's already sleeping doon sa sisters niya sa kabilang room. Pero I don't know, kakatok lang. Kasi wants to sleep here with mommy. So, ako lang naman mag-isa. So, it's okay. It's for now. Honestly, lang talaga. Minsan nagno-know talaga kami. Para alam niya talaga na, yun na nga, yeah, she's already sleeping in a different room. Pero once in a while, yun, kapag magre-request yung mga sisters niya, kahit siya, we let them sleep here. Siguro maybe sa tomorrow or sa Sunday naman. Yun. For now, we will rest na. Parang naging slow day nga siya. Pero honestly, it's a very productive day for us. Sobrang naka-clean kami ng the whole house. Then, even with the kids, nakapunta sila sa cousins nila. And, syempre, yung kanina pa, yung nangyari sa baby na to. Pandami pa rin nangyari. That we were able to rest and recharge. At least, weekend pa lang tomorrow. Sleepy na ako. So, magti-take na rin, magsisleep na rin si mom. So, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with us. And I hope that you enjoy. So, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Good night. Night-night.